What's going on YouTube? It's your boy the Vintage Man, back with another video for you guys. Today I'll be showing y'all where to get your jeans from and how to rock your jeans with your sneakers, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video, and smash that thumbs up because every video lit, man. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so just a quick video for you guys. It's gonna be mostly an on feet portion for the jeans, but I wanted to let y'all know the #1 jean spot for me right now, and it is Hyper Denim. You can go follow them on Instagram. I put like a little screenshot of the Instagram right there, or you can go to their website, hyperdenim.com. But by far, the best quality jeans, the best price jeans, in my opinion. This is not sponsored. I ain't got no promotions. All my kicks dope. My boy Julian, he put me on this jeans site because I was like, man, where can I get my jeans from? Because I was like wearing the same jeans over and over. But he put me on to Hyper Denim, and I got them. I got 3 pairs right now. Looking to get more different color washes, different color jeans, different styles, even some joggers through them. Great pricing for some good quality jeans. You're not gonna pay no fucking like $200 for some damn Amari jeans, whatever they call. You can just get some of these. Good quality, like I said. They fit true to size, in my opinion. I don't know how jeans run or anything. I just stick on my 34 waist and I'm good with that. Leave me enough sag room or enough waist room, stuff like that. But let me show you the jeans real quick before we get to the on foot portion.
Few inches later.
As you guys know, I already had these jeans right here with the line going down the side, that taper, slim, skinny, whatever you want to call them. I got these a while ago. I did a video about these, and I got a picture on my Instagram as well. If you want to check that out, go follow me on Instagram at the Vintage World. I'll leave a link down below so you can go follow me. But these are very dope, and they got zippers on the sides, as you can see. And yeah, this is the first purchase I got from Hyper Denim. I thought that was very dope, you feel me? I put them down. And here go the newest 2 to the jeans that I got right here. And I got this colorway, or this wash, or whatever you want to call it, with the zippers as well on the bottom, man. Thought that's very dope, bro. Like the zipper at the bottom. I remember doing this back in high school, but now they're bringing it back. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and rock what I was true to and what I'm used to rocking, you feel me? With this one right here, as you can see, let me grab this one real quick. And this right here is like a waxed leather, or it's pretty much just like shiny black pants. And this one doesn't have the zipper on it, so it's just a basic slim tapered black jean with like some gloss on it, you feel me? It also has zippers on the side, and all the jeans that I've purchased so far have these strings right here, along with the other 2 pairs. But yeah, here they go right here. Hyper Denim, here their logo right there, if y'all can see that. And yeah, slim tapered. So I'm gonna show y'all how to rock these joints with the on feet videos. Pull out a couple pairs of kicks that I got. I don't have all my shoes here yet, but they'll be here soon, man. So y'all stay tuned. And yeah, let's get right into this how to rock your jeans on foot tutorial, man. Let's get it.